Hi, this is Architect Sales, architect based in the Philippines, and this video I will share to you on how to use our custom Revit add-in. So without wasting your time, let's proceed. Once you install our add-in that came from our website, you can see the website link in this video description, so check it out. So let's start. So go to this custom stylus architect tab. You can see our custom tools. So first one, this is the official logo of our add-in. So these functions only. As of now, you can change the appearance to light mode or dark mode. So in this case, I will use light mode. So let's begin on the first tools, the Family Library Manager. First, we will demonstrate on how to use our custom Family Manager. You go here, this icon, just left click. Again, you go to this icon, just left click, it will pop up the custom window. In my case, I have loaded my custom folders. So you can see on this right panel, there are family loaded, and you see the custom thumbnail. You can load your own custom families folders by clicking this icon, change library root directory. Just click it and you can choose wherever your family is saved. After you load in, it will pop up it will load in the folder in this left side panel. In my case, we will test the door folders. As you can see, my folders, my door families are there. You can test, for example, this door one. Click insert, then hover your mouse to your wall in 3D. As you can see, it's easy to drag and drop your family. So let's test another one from this family provider. This is a famous blocks.com. You can check their website, and there are a lot of free families you can download from their website. So in my case, let's delete this first. Let's load in this one. Just click insert, and yeah, it will automatically load to your 3D. Let's try another one, this sofa. It's easy to load your family. If you compare the standard Revit tools for loading the family, it has here load family. There's a lot of steps before you can load your family. For example, I choose this bedroom door one. Let's click open. As you can see, there's nothing happen in your 3D. You need to go to this component to load your family loaded. So for example, I need that door. You need to type first the door name. So you see the difference if you are using our custom family library manager. So there's another button here that it is under development. So it's a premium library. It is a cloud-based. So in this early stage, I don't have a lot of custom family or premium family, just to share with you that in the future it will have premium libraries here. So if you want to subscribe to this subscription plan, you can access all the premium libraries in the future. So that's it for this first tool. Let's move to the next one, the materials.